Cliff, so the fellas have started doing demo. This is going to be about a 25 foot or 25 square feet of tile that'll be replaced, is what they're saying. So it'll be like a 4x5 section so they can get in there, plus whatever baseboard I remove there. And then these guys have been working hard since first thing this morning. And just like David had showed you on the video camera, there's the rotted lines over there. Almost looks like some people's artery lines, you know, people that eat a bunch of carnitas, and I'm exaggerating now, Cliff. Or cheeseburgers, we could say. But there's David. You can only do this when you're young, man, because once you get older, you don't bend as easy. And if you find the gold, Cliff, he says they're not going to say anything. I'm just saying it. I'm just telling you right now. Yeah, he says he's going to haul ass and go to Mexico. So this is where they're at, and that footing's about 27 inches deep or so, but they'll be able to get underneath that, no problem. So they've been doing a good job keeping everything safe and clean. Just wanted to show you.